Swift is a general programming language that can be used to create any type of application. But to install it on Ubuntu, you have to follow specific steps in order to be able to run and write your code in Swift.
First, we are going to run the sudo apt update. Then install the dependencies. Now, after installing the dependencies, you will have to download the archive. You select the corresponding archive file. For us, it will be this one. So I'm going to copy the link address and download using the following command: wget and the path of the file. It will be downloaded to the home folder. After downloading the archive, you will have to extract it. So first I'm going to move the files, the extracted files, to the user share Swift folder. Then I'm going to add this path or the new path to the path variable.
To know if Swift is correctly installed, checking the version is not enough. You will have to run the read, eval and print loop to be sure that everything is okay.
Now to test the Swift installation, first I'm going to check the version. Then I'm going to launch the Swift interpreter. So you may have this error. So I have Anaconda installation and I have this file already available in my system. So I'm going to copy this file to the user share Swift user library. User share Swift user need. I'm going to run Swift again.
You want to learn more about the language? Check the link in the description below. Bye.